When deciding between PayPal Credit and PayPal Mastercard, it really depends on how you plan to use it. PayPal Credit is like a virtual credit line you can add to your PayPal account mainly for online purchases. It offers special financing on purchases over $99, where you get 6 months to pay without interest if you pay in full by the end. This is a solid choice if you're looking for short-term financing for online buys and want a line of credit without a physical card. So, this is best for those who want interest-free financing and don't need a physical card for in-store purchases. The PayPal Cashback Mastercard, on the other hand, is a physical credit card. It gives you 2% cashback on all purchases anywhere Mastercard is accepted, both online and in stores. This card is best if you're looking for a straightforward rewards card with no annual fee and plan to make both online and offline purchases. If you're mainly buying online and want special financing options, PayPal Credit is a great option. But if you prefer earning cashback on all purchases and the flexibility of in-store use, the PayPal Cashback Mastercard could be a better fit.